Hello, welcome back to the channel guys. In this video I'm going to show you a little website that I've discovered with what you can use to make some money online. This is our channel that you can see here, and we're building it up, and what we're doing on the channel is everything to do with how you can make money from home, online. And Ryan's doing the stock market. He trades every day in the stock market, and he trades, and he swing trades, and he day trades. For those of you that know what that is, great, go and look and watch his videos. For those of you that don't know what trading is at all, then we are actually going to put together some basics on how you get started, what you look for, the different platforms that are available, just for people that have no knowledge, and then that should help when you're watching Ryan's videos. We also do affiliate marketing, and if that's something that you're interested in, we do have a link in the description below. There's two ways, or our two favourite ways, to make money online from home or from wherever you are, doesn't really matter. So if you're interested in learning more about that, then take a look at the links below. And obviously in today's video, what I'm here to do right now is to show you a website that I've come across that you can use to make money. Now, it's not really a website per se. You sign up for it, and what it does is it sends you text messages, and you send a text message back, and they pay you. Let me jump on to the website I'm talking about. Now, it's called OneQ. As you can see here, it says get paid instantly through PayPal, and they do. So there's no building up your money to cash out with this. You get paid per question. As soon as you've answered the question, you're paid. So you do only get paid in either 50 cents or 25 cents at a time. That is up to you whether it's 50 cents or 25 cents. That's a question you get asked at the beginning. So what you'll do is I'll log in, but you'll sign up, and you will go through this here. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up, so your first name, last name, mobile number. You need to make sure to put the right mobile number in. They're not going to spam you. It is purely so that they can send you the messages. And then your email address. Obviously, they need your email address for your PayPal. And then you create your password, tick the boxes after you've read them, and hit sign up. So I'm just going to log in here, and okay, and we're in, and this is what you'll see. You will be answering a few questions when you first log in, and it's just building up a profile of who you are, which, as you've worked out by now, most of the companies do this to make sure that they're targeting the right people when they send out the questions, or whatever it is, whatever website you're on. But for this one, it'll be the text messages. Now, there is an app for this, and I do recommend that you log in using the app. You can log on your computer if you like, but it's so much easier to just use the app. If you use the app, you will get questions through the app as well, and you don't have to send a text message back. All you do is click on the button in the app. Now, I'll show you some examples in a minute so you can see what I'm talking about. This here, we are not going to need it for the purpose that we're using OneQ, because this is what companies will use when they want to ask questions. Obviously, we don't want to ask questions because we don't want to be paying anybody. We want people to be paying us, right? So when you first sign up, you will be given a message basically that says this: you are eligible to receive paid questions. Please note, it could take some time to get questions, and every day is different. Questions come directly from companies looking for targeted feedback and insights. Please make sure your notifications are properly enabled so you don't miss out on questions targeting you. And then this is what the app looks like when you log in. So you see the money you've earned, how many questions you've missed, and the average response time. You have to verify your phone number, so they will send you to your mobile phone, they'll send you a verification number, and you have to type that in, and that's what you will get once you've been verified. So that's it. You're now eligible to be paid to actually receive text. So the two choices that you get when you sign up to be paid is 25 cents and 50 cents. Now, you're probably thinking, well, obviously I'm going to choose to be paid 50 cents per question, but here's the catch. If you choose to be paid 50 cents per question, you are going to get less questions. If you want to get more questions sent to you and therefore have a better chance of earning more money, you need to choose to be paid 25 cents. Here's examples. So Askvert examples. Here, for instance, what do you think this ad is for? And it asks you, what's the ad for? Obviously, you can see that it's the sun cream there, and there's the answer sunscreen. And they're your options. This is obviously coming through in the app, so you can see you just hit a button and it goes back to the company. And as soon as it's done, they pay you, and that's it. You don't have to build up to a certain number like $10 to cash out or anything like that. There's no cashing out. They pay you instantly. And these are some examples of questions that you will receive from them. Now, when it comes through on text message, it will come through and it will look like this. Do you wear activewear, yoga pants? And then you've got your options. A, yes, but only when working out. B, yes, regularly. C, no. D, no, but I'd like to get a pair. And then you reply with A, B, C, or D. So reply B, yes, I regularly wear yoga pants. And then they send you a message back saying, thanks, congratulations, you've just been paid 25 cents. And this is the message you get when you do it on the app. You've just been paid 50 cents via PayPal, and then you can log into your PayPal, you can check if you've been paid. That's it for this website. And so really simple, really easy. And like I say, you're not going to make bunches and bunches of money. You're not going to be like exploding the roof off your bank account or anything crazy like that, but it is a way that you can use to make some extra money. You can supplement your income. Like I said earlier in the video, we do affiliate marketing, and the affiliate marketing is a better way to make money. Your affiliate marketing, you are going to be making passive income. Okay, so while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're going about doing your daily things that you do and just living your life, you are going to be making income. You don't need to worry about it. Obviously, with anything that you do need to put in the time and effort up front. Now, if you are interested in that and you would like to know more, then please do go down to the link in the description and watch that video. We have two ways that we like to make money online. These are our two favourite ways. So take a look, let us know what you think. And that is it for this video. So I will see you next time in the next video with another way you can make money online. For now, keep hitting my mic. I'm going to have to move that out of the way because that's like, it's right here, look. It's always getting in my way. If that made a noise, I'm sorry. And dead excited about Friday. We've got a new camera coming. Can't wait to unbox that and see how good the quality is going to be on that. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so you do not miss a video when we come out with them. Like the video if you don't mind, because that's going to help the channel and we appreciate the support. Comment below if you've got any questions or you just want to tell me how you did with this or any of the other videos. Till next time, guys, take care.